Okay, good day, guys. In today's lesson, we'll be looking towards problems relating to complex numbers. Problems like this. Now, for example, if we put it like this. Now, just note that I squared is equals to minus 1 because we will need it later on. Just note this. Okay. Now, just expand this. Just like 4 plus 6, I plus what? 3 plus what? 4. And at this point, just collect the items. And here, okay, 4 plus, you move this over here. We have 3 plus what? 6i plus what? 4i. So when you sum this up, you have here to go 7, and here is what? 6 plus 4. We now have 10i. So at this point, this is the this is the real part. Why this is the imaginary parts. So in complex numbers, we actually look at two parts, the real parts and the imaginary parts. And the imaginary part is the part that has this I. Exactly. So this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. So let's look into more questions. Now let me add here to let me change the sign. Let's have it to minus 2. Now, in a problem like this, we have nothing to do much here, but let's just work on this. We have this to do. Now, okay, let's minus 2 times 3, we have it to be minus 6. And when minus 2 times plus 4i, we have minus 8i. Now, we have to do this to be 4 minus 6 and plus 6 minus what? 8i plus 6i minus 8i. Now, 4 minus 6 is actually just 2. So 6 minus 8. This is minus 2. How is it what? Minus 2. So you can see inside that is what? 2 minus what? 2i. So those are actually. And at this point, this is the real part. Why this is the imaginary parts. So this answer. Now let's go a bit deeper in this. Now, for instance, something like this, question like this. Okay, 3 plus 4i all divided by what? 2. Okay, let me change this. Minus 6i. So, and the question like this actually, now we have to deal, for those that we are all conversant with sword. Maybe I will look into that in my next video actually. But for now, questions like this actually, you have to work with the conjugate actually. Now, conjugate means this denominator now, we'll take it out, to be in this one 2, and then we'll change the sign. Conjugate it down. This is minus right. Now, conjugate of this is what? Plus 6i. So imagine if you had here to be what? Plus. The conjugate of plus is what? Minus. Is it clear? And let's take back to this original form. So the conjugate of this, we now have this what? 2 plus 6i, all divided by what? 2 plus what? 6i. You can enclose in the bracket if you like. Okay. So this is it. Now this point, 3 times 2, 6 plus 3 times plus 6 is what? Plus what? 18i. And plus 4i times 2 is what? Plus 8i. And 4i times 6i. We now have this to be what? Plus 24i squared. This is what we have here for the numerator. And for the denominator, we now have 2 times 2 is what? 4. And 2 times 6 plus 6i is what? Plus what? 12i. Yes. And minus 6i times 2 is what? Minus 12i. And then minus 6i times plus 6i. You know how this is what? Minus 36i squared. So this is what we have. And watch out for this. Why solving problems in complex numbers in any equation related to anything, they have to make some conjugates. These two numbers must be same, whereby if you subtract this from this, you have this again. It must. You can just automatically cancel each other out because plus 12 minus 12 is actually 0. Are you getting it? I think that will show that you are in the right direction actually. So in this case, we have these two. Okay, let's solve this. 6, 18i plus 8i is actually 26i. Now it was 26i. Now, plus this 24i squared. All divided by 4 plus. Now, plus minus 36 watts I squared. Which is actually, okay. And remember I told you earlier that you should make, don't forget this, that I squared is supposed to what? Minus 1. Well, because we'll be using it here. Now, anywhere you see I squared, change it to minus 1. Okay, let's see here. We have this 6 plus 26i plus what? 24. Remember I said anywhere you see I squared, you call it what? Minus 1. Now we do something like this, minus 1. All divided by 4 plus what? Now, minus, plus minus is actually minus 1. So let's see how this thing. Minus 36. Now, the I squared is what? Minus 1. Now, we have 6 plus 26i, and then plus 24 times minus 1 will give us minus 24. Now it's what? Minus 24. And when 4, okay? Now, minus 26 times minus 1. Now, minus is actually plus. Minus and minus is plus. So this can just change this and we now have a positive sign. The minus 36 times minus 1 is actually what? Plus 36. Hope you get that getting it. Now at this point, now let's make this to be on top. I now have 6 minus 24 plus what? 26i. All divided by this plus this actually giving us what? 40. 6 minus 24 actually what? 18. 18 plus what? 26i. All divided by what? 40. Now, 18 plus 26i, all divided by 40. And you can actually turn this into singular fractions actually. making it to be this. 18 divided by what? 40 plus what? 26i divided by what? 40. Then you divide 2 into the next. And 2 go here, I get to be 9. 2 go here, I get to what? 20. And when 2 go here, I get to what? 13. When 2 go here, I get to what? 20. Giving us with 9 divided by 20 plus what? 13 divided by what? 20. That's 13i by 20. Now, at this point, I don't think any other thing can do. Yes. Not can actually go. So at this point, 9 over 20 plus 13i over 20 is our final answer. And remember, I told you our aim. At the end of each problem, that you have a real part and an imaginary part. And this imaginary part, it can be a fraction. You get it must not only be in whole number. It can be a fraction. Now you have this 13i, and this is the imaginary part, the I. So this is the part, and this is the real part. So that's the aim. So I hope you guys learned something today. So see you guys in my next class. And bye for now.